Are you trying to add a professional signature to your Roundcube Webmail but not sure where to find the option? Whether you want to include your name, job title, phone number, or even a company logo, setting up an email signature in Roundcube is a great way to make every email you send look polished and professional. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up your email signature in Roundcube Webmail step by step. And if you run into any trouble along the way, our support team is just a call away at the numbers on the screen. Alright, let's begin now. Open your Roundcube Webmail in cPanel. Open Settings from the left menu bar. Click on Identities, then select the email address. Enter a display name, type the signature in the signature box, and click Save. From now on, when you compose a new mail, your signature text will already be added there.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.